Well, I'm Luke.
Hi, Luke.
And what do I say?
What are we doing today?
We're making a blue lake.
Yay! Awesome. Is it a special Mommy and Me day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. What kind of Play-Doh egg did we make?
A 4-leaf clover.
A 4-leaf clover? How cool. Are you ready to open it up and should we see what's inside?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's go. Whoa. Who do you have?
And a missile. Polish it well. Flow. Or this guy's name. And we have a king and a queen. And we have Lizzie. And we have chicken kicks. Another remote. And here's the other remote.
Ooh, yellow Ramon and green Ramon.
And we also have Sheriff. I don't know who this is. And this is Mater, Sally, Tex, and Mac, and whose name is this?
Oh, you know it. I can never remember. It's not Boost. It's the other one.
Wingo.
There you go.
And we have Snot Ride.
Awesome.
And we have Roll the Hoop. And we have Francesco.
Francesco Bernal. Awesome. Very cool. That's quite a collection of cars you have.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and like.